Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this video, we're going to show how to make a pixel art picture of GhostFace from Among Us. We will do this with freehand sketching using Asperite. We will use a reference off the internet. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content. We will start with our sketch. For my sketch, I will use a light green color. I will use the pencil tool for the sketch. Follow along. Remember that you can slow down the video if you feel like I am going too fast. I drew reference lines on the face of body to help me with proportions. Next, on a different layer, using a darker color, I will design the face shape and outline the rest of my sketch. I will also add the facial features. You can adjust the size of your pencil for the eyes and mouth. Remember to always save your progress using Ctrl+S. This secondary sketch will be my reference sketch. So I will delete the initial sketch layer and then reduce to opacity of my secondary sketch. Next, on a new layer, I will outline my work using black pencil. For the mouth, the eyes, and the nose, you can paint them black right after they have been outlined. Notice how my contiguous option at the top is selected. This allows a color fill within borders. Feel free to make some proportional adjustments during your outlining. You can also add features like cloak creases during this. Now that I am done with my outline, I can hide the sketch layer. Here, I am just marking my light direction. Strong main light on the lower right corner, and a weaker left light. Now, I will move to coloring. I'll start with the gray cloak. Notice how my contiguous option at the top is selected. This allows a color fill within borders. I will add the white for the face next. Now that my base coloring is done, we can start adding shadows and highlights. I will use darker shades of the same colors I previously used for the shadows. Before I start adding these, I will select the current frame, then click New Frame. This will create a backup of my timeline. Now, in this new frame, I will add my shadows and highlights. Here, I am using the eraser tool for painting these shadows. For this technique, While your eraser tool is selected, hold the Alt key. Then use your right mouse button to choose black. This will act as shadow for the gray areas. And then use your left mouse button to choose the color that will be replaced by this black. By doing this, only the color you choose to be replaced is actually affected. Here, we are choosing gray to be replaced. Keep adjusting until you are satisfied. Remember that you can slow down the video if you feel like I am going too fast. You can do the same eraser tool technique for the highlights. Here, I am using the lasso tool to select an area for highlighting. Instead of using the eraser tool, I have chosen the paint tool. Notice that I have the contiguous option disabled. After this, I'll make adjustments where necessary and add more highlights and shadows. To give my GhostFace figure a more three-dimensional look, I will add one more shade of grey on the cloak. Follow along. Your figure does not have to be as detailed as mine is. Do as much as you can right now. But make sure you practice. That's the easiest way to improve. For the face, I will use light grey to cast my shadow. Again, I will keep adjusting until I am satisfied. Earlier, I changed my left light source to red. This is because I am feeling extra creative and want to give my figure a red hue, just to make it look even more spooky. Using the selection tool, I will select areas that will be hit by this red light. After the selection, I will paint them with a dull red. Remember that you can slow down the video if you feel like I am going too fast. I'll keep adding and adjusting the red hue until I am satisfied. Again, your figure does not have to be as detailed as mine is. Just do as much as you can right now. But make sure you practice a lot. Some more small adjustments and the artwork is finished. And there we have it! A pixel art drawing of GhostFace from Among Us using a reference. Remember that practice is key for improving on your art journey. So do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to always start out with a simplified design where possible, and then build on it to get amazing results. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.